Hello everyone, it's good to see you all again here. So friends, our today's topic is perfect continuous tense. So friends, in this video we will do this tense in present, past and future. So friends, as always in our previous video we had done perfect tense in present, past and future, but in this video we will do perfect continuous tense in present, past and future. So friends, before any further ado, let's get started. So the meaning of perfect continuous tense in present is रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं with time. So friends, in this tense you will use time also in the sense of since and for. The examples are like going, walking, taking, living and running. So friends, these are the examples. And friends, firstly you have to clear in your mind that what is the pattern of perfect continuous tense. So friends, the pattern of perfect continuous tense is subject, have, has, been, verb plus ing and others, and since for. So friends, as I told you that since for is used for time, like in since, when you know that what is the perfect time of your activity, like 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock. So friends, this is used for since. And friends, when you don't know that what is your perfect time for activity, like 2 hours, you don't know that which 2 hours, so friends, then you will use for. So friends, some sentences I make from my side. So friends, let's go for sentences. So the very first sentence is I have been living in Rajasthan for 10 years. So friends, as you can see that 10 years are mentioned in the sentence. So the 10 years are like which 10 years is not perfectly mentioned here, so you will use for. The next sentence is she has been going since 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. So friends, in this you will see that the perfect time mentioned in the sentences. So friends, the perfect time is 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. That's why we use since. The third is we have been walking for 2 hours. And the fourth one is Ram has been sleeping since 12 p.m. to 9 a.m. So friends, this is all about for affirmative sentences in perfect continuous tense. The remaining types you can check the pattern in front of your screen. You can put the video on hold and you can take the screenshot, then you will do practice so that you will become a perfect in this tense. So friends, it's the time to do past perfect continuous tense. So friends, the meaning of past perfect continuous tense is रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे with time. So friends, in this you will also use time. And friends, the examples are like reading, picking, looking, taking, listening. So friends, these are the examples. And if we talk about the pattern, so the pattern of past perfect continuous tense is subject, had been, verb plus ing, others, since for. So friends, this is the pattern. Let's go towards sentences. So the very first sentence is I had been waiting here for 2 hours. So friends, this is the first sentence. And the next one is she had been selling fast food since 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. And friends, the third one is we had been looking for train for 2 hours. And the last one is Sita had been buying clothes since 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. So friends, these are the 4 sentences of affirmative in past perfect continuous tense. The remaining types you can check the pattern in front of your screen. You can put the video on hold and you can take the screenshot for your practice. Now let's jump towards our future perfect continuous tense. The identification of future perfect continuous tense is रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे with time. This is also used with the time. And friends, the examples are like buying, sleeping, eating, playing, dancing. So friends, these are the examples. And friends, if we talk about the pattern of future perfect continuous tense is, so friends, the pattern of future perfect continuous tense is subject, shall, will, have been, verb plus ing, others, since for. So friends, this is the pattern of future perfect continuous tense. If we talk about the sentences, so friends, let's go towards our sentences. He will have been sleeping for 2 hours. So friends, this is the very first sentence of future perfect continuous tense. And friends, the next one is, and the second one is I have been playing since 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And the third one is Ria have been dancing for 3 hours. And the last one is we will have been doing practice since 3 p.m. to 5. These are the affirmative sentences of future perfect continuous tense. This is all about future perfect continuous tense. And the remaining types, as always, you can check the pattern in front of your screen. You can put the video on hold and you can take the screenshot. So friends, with this our perfect continuous tense is finished. So friends, this is all about for this video. If you enjoy the video, so friends, don't forget to give a 1 like. And friends, if you enjoy the explanation way, so friends, don't forget to share with your friends. And friends, if you are new on this channel, so friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because friends, in this channel you will get always these kind of videos. Thank you so much.